Well, hello there, friends. Summer's still here. We're gonna still make some salad because it's hot out there. I made this delicious shrimp salad with a fabulous pink dressing. Yeah, I'm in touch with my feminine side. You guys are gonna love it. It's really, really good. I can't wait to show it to you. Remember, thumbs up if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and ring that bell. Stay tuned, friends. We're making it right now. Okay, friends, well, the tuna salad was such a success, decided to make a shrimp salad. Actually, a few of you have requested for me to do it, so we're going to make it. And we're going to make it with an raw sauce. It's a mayonnaise with a little ketchup in there. I know, I'm French, but we use ketchup too. So, you're going to love it, I promise you. I got mayonnaise right here, friends. I got about 2 big tablespoons of mayonnaise. I didn't really measure. 2 big tablespoons of mayonnaise. Then we're gonna put a little bit of sour cream. Same idea, okay? Of a spoon. I got a big tablespoon. Would you say, right? Big tablespoon. Let me move it out of the way as I need it. Otherwise, it's in the middle of the camera. And then we're gonna take a Dijon mustard, a little bit of Dijon mustard, eh? If you don't have Dijon mustard, then use whatever mustard you like. You don't have it. You don't have it. You don't have it. A little bit of prepared horseradish, friends. Prepared horseradish. Little bit. It was too strong. If you don't like it, see, that much. You saw how much? I like about it. A healthy teaspoon. I didn't really measure. A little bit of hot sauce. Use whatever hot sauce you like. You don't have to put a hot sauce if you don't like it. You never have to do anything you don't like. Oh, he's doing it. I'm going to have to do it now. Now, here, friends, I don't know if you're going to be able to find this easily because it's called a white Worcestershire sauce. White Worcestershire sauce. Now, they say marinade for chicken. That's what they call it. But it's a white Worcestershire sauce. If you don't have it, don't worry about it. Okay? You may be able to find it. If you don't find it, don't worry. Don't put the regular dark one. It'll darken everything. If you don't find it, don't put it in. It's much easier. A little bit of garlic. A teaspoon of garlic. You like more? Put more. Ketchup, guilty party right there. Little bit. We're gonna make a raw sauce. Maybe I don't put it on. And then we're gonna put a little bit of lemon juice to brighten everything, like a teaspoon. And then, believe it or not, we're gonna put a little cognac. A little bit. You don't have it? Or you're cooking for kids? Give them extra. They sleep better. You don't have to put it in, friends. Okay? This is just an option. Salt and pepper. Sometimes I forget to put salt and pepper until I test it. And then we're going to emulsify that whole thing. And we should have like a pinkish dressing. You see? You hardly know. There's ketchup in there, friends. It'll be a secret. Don't tell anybody. I'll deny it. Look, friends. And I'm going to put a little bit of dill. All right? Let's bring in the, I think it's good. Let me test it, just in case. It's delicious. I love it. I promise you, you can't really taste the ketchup at all. So I put just a little more. You can't really test it in there. It's a background. In France, what we do is we take a shrimp salad, we make it with the arroz, put it inside an avocado. So that was my plan today, to hollow the avocado, right? And put it in there. 4 stores I went to try to find avocado, then we're halfway decent. They are hard as a rock. What am I supposed to do with those? You're supposed to put them in a brown bag and wait 3 days. I didn't want to wait 3 days. I want to do it today. So, anyway, it's another idea. Put it in see, look, it's nice. And I'm telling you, friends, it's delicious. You're going to like it. All right, let's make the salad, eh? What do I have for the salad, friends? I have me clean up. I have bite-sized shrimps. They call probably 90, 110 count, somewhere like that, a pound. So you can buy them already cooked, or you can cook them yourself. It's not that big of a deal. And also, I got 21, 25 shrimps. You can use those as well. I'm going to use both of them. Use whichever one you want. There's about a pound right there, okay? So we're going to put a little bit of dressing in here. We're going to coat it, and we're going to put a shrimp in there. All right? Now, you could put crab also in there. You could put calamari also in there. You can put a bunch of stuff, right? And then we're going to put a little bit of red diced bell peppers, right? And then we're going to put some red cabbage. What do you call it? Red cabbage? Is that what you call it? Red? It's actually not red. It's more like blue, purple. I cut it in a very small piece, but you know what I do? I had some left over from the coleslaw. If you don't have any, don't put it in. It's cool to have it. Nice color. And it gives it a nice color and a nice taste and a nice crunch. You know what I do? I cut it and then I rinse it. And the water comes out like purple water, right? A little bit of almonds for texture. Remember, a good salad is texture. Texture. You put it in your mouth, it got a lot of texture. And now we're going to mix all this, friends. And we're going to have a shrimp salad. Okay? And then we're going to put a little bit more of the dill. And I'm telling you, friends, this is delicious. It is delicious and simple. I'm going to show you how I serve it. You can serve it however you want. I'll show you how I serve it. It makes it easy. You can put it in an avocado and serve it like this. Okay? I think it's a perfect amount for 1 pound of shrimp. And 1 pound of shrimp salad should give us about 4 serving. Another thing that I'm going to do, friends. Let me take that there. And I'm going to put some radish as a decoration. I did it in oh, mamma mia. I'm forgetting the tomato. I always forget something. I forgot the tomatoes and put a little more dill. All right? And put a little more pepper. All right? Now we have it. The radish, I'm going to show you the radish. The radish is for decoration. You know, I haven't, don't worry about it. This idea, you know, it's mostly about the dressing, friends. Put whatever ingredient you want in here. It's mostly about the dressing, okay? I promise you, you'll enjoy it. It's delicious dressing. Let me put this out of the way. We have it. Let me clean my hands, and I'll show you how I serve. Oh, I want to show you the radish thing. I have a mandolin, because this you got to cut very thin. Eh? This is an inexpensive mandolin. I've had it for years. I love it. It's not dangerous. It is dangerous, but not, this one's not too bad. Okay? And make sure when you're holding something like that, you hold it very tight. And if you're not comfortable, because this is the big radish, so it's easy to do what I'm doing because it's big, right? Take a fork, put it in, and just go like this. It's not as bad. Okay, friends? Just a little trick. Because a mandolin gives you, you're going to have a tough time doing this. Doing this cut right there, friends, with a knife. It's very difficult. And radishes, they're interesting. You know, they're a little bitter. But in small doses, they're very cool. I'm going to put some, I'm going to serve it in one of those guys. One of those glasses, right? What do you call them? Parfait glasses? There's a name for it. Trifle glasses. So I take the romaine. This is the end of it right there. And then I cut it very thin. See, very thin. You could use this for the tuna salad. You could use this for all kinds of different salad. Cut it very thin. Especially when you get closer to the end and you cut them very, very thin, right? And then what you do, friends, you take your trifle glasses. You put it in here like this, right? No big deal. See, nothing is a big deal, right? Take it out. I cut it out too much here. I'd rather have too much than not enough. All right, here we go. Jean-Pierre, get going. All right, we're going to take a spoon, and we're going to put it on top of it. I'm telling you, a child could do this. And I promise you, friends, this shrimp salad, crab salad, seafood salad, chicken. You can even do it with the chicken. But the chicken salad, not chicken, chicken salad. Or the tuna salad, that's what I was talking about. The tuna salad, a lot of success, boy. You guys love the tuna salad. That was great. It's a beautiful salad. I love it. Look, put as much or as little as you want, right? Take your time. Do it better than me, right? It is enough for 4, maybe 6, right? And then we take our radishes and we put them all the way around it. Okay, I'm doing it fast, but you know in a thumbnail I'm going to do a better job because I'm taking my time. All right, friends? Yeah. You got the idea, all right, friends? Put it in there. Put it nicer. I think I should have put them first and then put my my shrimp salad in it. Okay, you got the idea, friends. Put a nice big shrimp on top of it. And I'm telling you, friends, I'm going to test it out of here. It'll be easier. All right, friends, let's check it out. See how good it is. We're going to have to make a pretty one than this. I'm not happy with this. Oh, don't take too much. It's fresh. It's crisp. The shrimps are perfect. The dressing is not too much. You test all the ingredients. Friends, I hope you make it. Remember, thumbs up if you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to ring the bell. Thanks for watching. Okay. All right, all we got to do now is make a pretty one because this is ugly. I'm going to make a pretty one.
Overdose of radish.
No. That's okay. I'm going to make a new one. You watch. You watch. I'm going to do it right now. You watch. It's going to be much nicer. You know what I'm going to do? I'm going to do this. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my radish now. You see, that's what I should have done. But I'm always afraid the video is going to be too long. But you see, look. That's all I'm going to do right there. Right there. Right there. All right. You come back over here. And this, and this, and this. And then we'll put the shrimp salad on top. You see? Right there on top. That'll look a lot better. And we can make a small, we can make a big, we can do whatever we want with it. But that's a better idea and try to do it like I was going to do. And then you can also take a little dill, you see? Take a little piece of dill, and I think I got one right there. I'm going to put you watch, I'm going to put a piece of dill in there. I got it right in our thing right there. Oh, that's not the right one, Mamma Mia. I think it's the right container. Oh, yeah, it should be in here. Let me see. You see it in there? Oh, yeah, here you go, look. You take a little piece of dill right there to remind everybody that it's got dill in it. That's it, you see? I think it's a lot better. You like it? All right, bon appetit, Jack. Here you go, that's for you. Bon appetit. Enjoy it.